Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to start our lesson 1 from Madinah Arabic Reader. الدرس الأول من Madinah Arabic Reader. This lesson is about the Ismul Ishara Hada. Ismul Ishara Hada means this. This is an article in English. So let's start reading of the lesson. Hada baytun. Hada masjidun. You can repeat after me. Hada baytun. Hada masjidun. Hada babun. Hada means this. Baytun means house. Baytun means house. Hada means this. Arabic has no word corresponding to the English is. And there is no word in Arabic corresponding to a or an in English. Hada baytun means Hada baytun. This is a house. The translation is this is a house. But here we only have two words, Hada and baytun. Hada means this and baytun means house. There is no other translation for is, a, or an. So, how will we know that we have to translate it like this? The N sound at the end of the Arabic noun like baytun, masjidun, babun. So there is an N sound at the end of these words. There is an N sound which is called tanmeen in Arabic. N sound is called tanmeen in Arabic. So this N sound means a or an. If there is the tanmeen at the end of the word, it means a or an. So haza means this and baitun means a house. So this is an incomplete sentence. How will we make it a complete sentence? By inserting is in between the words. So we will say Hada baitun. This is a house. Hada baitun. This is a house. Hada masjidun. How will we translate it? Very nice. This is a masjid. Hada babun. How do we translate it? Haza babun. This is a door. Haza kitabun. This is a book. Hada qalamun. This is a pen. Haza miftahun. This is a key. Hada maktabun. This is a table. Hada sarirun. This is a bed. Hada kursiyun. This is a chair. Okay, let's go to the next page. All right. There is a new word in this page which is ma. Ma is adawatul istifham, is an interrogative word. Ma is used for interrogation, for questioning. Ma is used in a question. Ma hada. Ma hada. Hada means this and ma means what. So how will we translate it? Ma hada. What is this? Ma hada, what is this? So if you want to ask someone about something, how do you ask in Arabic? What will you say? Ma hada, what is this? And how will be the answer? The answer will be hada baytun. This is a house. Okay, so now a new questioning word is here. The new questioning word is a Hamza. If Hamza is placed at the beginning of a statement, it turns it into a question. Ahada baytun. If Hamza is in the start, it means is. Ahada baytun. Is this a house? So now we have options here. Is this a house? So in answering, you must have to say yes or no. Na'am. Na'am means yes. Na'am. Na'am means yes. Ahada baytun? Is this a house? Na'am. Hada baytun. Yes, this is a house. Ma hada? What is this? Hada qamisun. This is a shirt. Hada sarirun. Is this a bed? La hada kursiyun. No, this is a chair. Ahada miftahun. Is this a key? La hada qalamun. No, this is a pen. Ma hada? Hada najmun. What is this? This is a star. Mahada. So now here we are going to have some question and answers. Mahada. Think of the answer. What will be the answer? Mahada. Okay. Hada maktab. Well done. The next question is Mahada. What will be the answer? Think of the answer. Hada sarir. Good. The third one. Mahaza. Yes, very good. Hada kitab. Hada kitab. Okay, the number four. Ma hada. Hada babun. Very good. Hada babun. It's up to us to read the tanween at the end or to make a waqf or jazm at the end. Hada babun. That's also correct. And hada bab. This is also fine. Ma hada. Ma hada. Hada baytun. Well done. Hada baytun. This is a house. Okay, so now, ahada baytun. Ahada baytun. There is a printing mistake. There should be a question mark at the end, but it's a full stop. So we will count it as a question mark. Ahada baytun. What is the meaning of ahada baytun? Yes. Is this a house? So what will be the answer? Na'am. Hada baytun. Yes, this is a house. Hada qamisun. Is this a shirt? So the answer will be Na'am. Hada qamisun. Hada miftahun. Is this a key? No, this is a pen. So how will we translate it? No. La hada qalamun. Well done. Ahada najmun. Is this a star? Na'am. Hada najmun. Well done. Yes, this is a star. Okay, now we will read and translate it. Hada maktabun. This is a table. Hada masjidun. This is a masjid. Hada qalamun. This is a pen. Hada sarirun. This is a bed. Ma hada. What is this? Hada kursiyun. This is a chair. Ahada baitun. Is this a house? La. Hada masjidun. No, this is a mosque. Ma hada. What is this? Hada miftahun. This is a key. Well done. So now here we have a new article for new word as a questioning word, which is man. The new word is man hada. Man is used for aqil. Aqil means the person who has brain to use is called aqil. And only Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has blessed humankind for with brain. So it means that only humans are aqil and every other living thing or non-living thing present in the world is ghair aqil. Ghair aqil means which does not have brain. So plants, animal, non-living things, each and everything is ghair aqil in Arabic and only human being is aqil. We use man for aqil. For humans, we use man. Okay, so for humans, we use man. And for other than humans, we use ma. For human, we use man. And for other than human, we use ma. Man means who. Man means who. And ma means what. Man haza, who is this? Man haza means who is this? Man haza, who is this? Haza tabibun, this is a doctor. Man haza, haza waladun, who is this? This is a boy. Man hada talib, who is this? This is a student. Ahada waladun, is this a boy? La, hada rajulun. No, this is a man. I hope you are getting till here. Man means who and ma means what. Man hada tajirun. Who is this? This is a merchant. See the difference in these sentences. Ma hada. What is this? Hada masjidun. This is a masjid. Hada kalbun. This is a dog. Ahada kalbun. Is this a dog? La hada qittun. No, this is a cat. Hada himarun. This is a donkey. Ahada himarun. Is this a donkey? La. Hada hisanun. No, this is a horse. Wama haza. Wow. A new word. Wama haza. Wow means and. And what is this? Hada jamalun. This is a camel. Ma hada. What is this? Hada deekun. This is a rooster. Man haza. Hada mudarris. Who is this? This is a teacher. Ma hada. Hada qalamun. What is this? This is a pen. Hada kalbun. This is a dog. Man hada. Hada tabibun. There is man, so the translation will be, who is this? This is a doctor. Hada jamalun. This is a camel. Ahada deekun. Na'am. Is this a rooster? Yes. Ahada kalbun. La. Hada qittun. Is this a cat? Sorry, is this a dog? No, this is a cat. أهذا حصان؟ لا هذا حمار. Is this a horse? No, this is a donkey. أهذا ولد؟ نعم. Is this a boy? Yes. من هذا؟ هذا رجل. Who is this? This is a man. Alhamdulillah, we have completed the reading and translation of this chapter. It will help you a lot in future in understanding the Madinah Arabic reader next lessons. So now the vocabulary. We have vocabulary with us, but I'm not going to read the vocabulary now. I will upload inshallah a new video with pictures for the vocabulary in some time, inshallah. So we will meet again. Okay, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.